So you're looking for secrets to build your email list? Stick around, we're going to talk about it. Hi, I'm Walter Weyburn. I will help you sell more books on your website. So you want to know 5 secrets to building an email list? We're going to make it real easy. No need to make it hard. This is a simple process. You don't really have to have a mail service. Once you get a bigger email list, you will want to do that. But when you're first starting, you don't really need it. I would say you could easily manage 100 emails yourself. So go ahead and give that a try. Make a folder to put your email list in. And every time you get an email, put it in that folder. And always go back to it and copy and paste it to your email before you send it out. You really don't have to get a service to do that. Like I said, once you grow bigger, you'll want to do that. But right now, you don't really have to. Let's keep it simple. Okay, the 5 secret ways to build your email list is really simple. In the back of your book, always put a link to your product, whatever it is you've got. And when they go to your product, capture that email list. Do you have a newsletter? If you don't, why not make one? Make a newsletter. Keep your people updated on what's going on in your life, in your business. They're interested, or else they wouldn't subscribe to your YouTube channel. They wouldn't follow you. So keep them updated. Now, in that newsletter, down on the side or across the bottom, whichever you want to do, act like it's a affiliate link, but it's not. It's your own links. Put your books there. Put your books on the bottom. You don't have to beat your people up to go buy your books. They'll see them as a reminder. And if they want them, they'll go get them. You're increasing your sales by doing that. And you're getting your books out there. So if you don't have a newsletter, make one. They're powerful. How about a blog? Do you have a blog? Well, if you don't, you may want to start a blog. You want to put that blog on your website. That way, when you direct people to your blog, you're also directing them to your website. But when you direct people to your blog, direct them to that page of your website. They'll see the rest of the website anyway. But direct them to that page that has your blog on it. You want to make a landing page for this also. Tell them it's a free self-publishing blog or whatever kind of blog it is. Tell them it's free to go there and give them that link. Once they sign up, they have to give you their email in order to get to your blog. It helps. I get a lot of people that way. Back when I was selling erotica, that's how I got most of my people, through an erotica blog. And my erotica blog was basically just a free book text out into the blog where they could just go there and read it. So you can do basically the same thing with self-publishing or any other niche that you're in. Just make sure you have a blog. Have that blog part of your website. That way you're killing 2 birds in 1 stone. You're getting them to your blog and you're getting them to your website. Plus, most important thing, you're getting that email. Okay, moving right along here. Here's another little secret to get email addresses. Offer a freebie. Make, again, another squeeze page that offers your freebie. And my freebies is normally a book, a small book, one that's quit selling or one that I just made for being a freebie. It don't have to be a giant novel, just a small story or small how-to something. Offer it as a freebie. They're going to go to that squeeze page to get it. They're going to have to put in their email address so you'll know where to send it to. You've got another email address. Put it in your email folder. This works. People's always wanting stuff for free, and they will go get it. I want to let you in on the biggest secret of all. Simply ask people that watch your videos, people that comments on your page, whatever, just simply ask them to join your email list, and you will keep them updated. You'll be surprised how many people does it. A lot of people says that people don't want to join email list because they know you're going to spam them. Don't ever spam them. If you start spamming people that's on your list, you're going to lose your list. People's going to start dropping off like dead flies. So don't spam. What I do on my email list, I tell people up front, by getting this freebie, by getting this blog, by getting whatever it is, you are joining my email list, and I will send out an email once a week. Normally I do it on Monday mornings. Don't do it no more than that, unless it's something very special that you just got to share with them right now. Because if you do more than what you tell them you're going to do, that's spam. They didn't sign up for that, so therefore that's spam. Don't do that. You will lose them from your email list. The object is to grow your email list, not to make it shrink. So don't ever spam. But just ask them to join your email list. They will do it. You'll be surprised. Okay, now that you got the 5 secrets to building an email list down, let's just go over some of the things that you have to do for housekeeping. You're going to have to build squeeze pages for all 5 of these items. And the best place to do it is where I do it. And no, I'm not affiliated with them or nothing, so I don't want the FTC to come knocking on my door. I'm not getting any kind of money from them. It's Wix. I make all my websites on Wix. It's easy. It's straightforward. I've been over to WordPress and places like that. It's just too complicated for this old man. So I stick with Wix. It's very easy. 1-page websites is all a squeeze page is. So just like if you got your blog, make a squeeze page for your blog, make a squeeze page for your newsletter, make a squeeze page for your free book, and so on, so on. Send those out. I would say mass post them everywhere. All social media, in the bottom of your YouTube videos, and mention them in your videos, at the tail end of your videos. Don't beat your people up, just like anything else. Don't beat them up. Just let them know it's there, and they may want it. So you got to have squeeze pages. They're very easy to make. This is how I build my email list. I know there's a lot other ways to do it, a lot of other complicated ways to do it, but I like to keep things simple. This is how I do it. I hope it helps you. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and until the next video, just know I love you more than anything. Ciao.